what's up?
I got you,
Hey.
man. I got you.
How's it going? It's good? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm good here too. You know, just
What the?
you
Oh
know,
my god. Oh.
You know, I'm just gonna. Can you keep it down a little back there? Thank you. You know, we could just go to the movies a little bit.
Bradley, it's your mother. She wants you at the house.
Tell her I'll be there when I'll be there. Ugh.
She says she got hot dogs in the house.
Ah!